Hello, and welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Today is the day I plan on casting this ant log full of aluminum. I've prepared the log already with some plugs and I'll be filling that in. It'll go into this flask filled up with some sand and some green sand that I've prepared. Hopefully I have enough. If not, oh well. I'll be melting it in the furnace in that crucible. The aluminum I'm using will be this Dodge Caravan wheel that I've cut up. Today's a pretty nice day, a little bit of cloud cover, but it's a nice day. Junk in the backyard, of course, and we'll see how this goes. It's only going to be about a minute. Appreciate a like and a subscribe to see the rest of my videos, and hope you'll catch me later. Thanks.